Hey guys, and welcome to this tutorial in Maya. Today I'm going to show you something pretty easy, and it's how to download the Comet scripts. So the first thing you have to do is go into Google and write Comet scripts, and the first link that you're going to have in here is the one that you need to go. So it's actually www.cometcartoons.com, and you can go to the mail script tab and go to download this. After downloading, you can show in folder, and then you can right click, and if you have WinRAR or 7-zip or something, you can just go and extract to Comet scripts. And well, in this case I already have it, so I'm just going to say no to all. And after doing that, you can delete it and select this, and you can, this is not going to be in there, it's going to be only this. You can actually unzip as well the icons if you want. I don't use them, to be honest, I don't like them, but you can use them. So extract to icons. Okay, so I can remove this. I'm going to select everything in here, okay, without the readme, and Ctrl+C, go to Documents, Maya, in this case 2022 or any version of Maya you have, scripts, and you put everything in there. I have the readme here as well. If you want to install the icons as well, you can go to Prefs, Icons, and put them in here. After doing that, you can go to Maya, open the script editor, open a new mail tab, and instead of icons, go to scripts where the scripts are. In here, and find the Comet menu and put it in here, and then just run it. And you need to know that it's going to appear here. You need to know that every time you open Maya, Comet is going to disappear, and you have to run this all the time. So if you don't want to do this, you want to have it like on the hand, you can go to File, Save Script to Shelf, and write Comet. I do it in the rigging in here. So I write Comet, in this case 2, so it creates one, and well, I'm going to delete it because every time I open Maya and I need Comet, I just go like this and it's working, okay? If it's not working because it gives you an error here, you can go to Mail and write rehash, because maybe it's not refreshing. So this is the way to do it, and that's it, you have Comet already. And I'm not going to explain all because I have a lot of tutorials where I use this. I love the Comet rename, the shapes in any type of edge, and so on, and also the Comet Join Orient, which is the best orient tool that I have found in my life. To be honest, it's beautiful. And yes, so well, the zero out is also for nulling out the stuff, so creating a group that is going to take the transformations and so on. And there are so many more that I almost never use, the mirror mesh and other stuff. So yeah, feel free to check it out, and hope this is useful, and thanks for watching.